The Power of Plants, Learning to Eat Healthy and Green. One bright morning, Kyrun and his dad decided to explore their garden and learn about the power of plants.
I can't wait to see what we can grow today, Dad.
His dad explained how each seed holds the potential to become a healthy plant.
These tiny seeds will grow into delicious vegetables if we take care of them.
They carefully planted the seeds, excited to watch them grow into tasty food.
I'm planting them just like you showed me, Dad.
After planting, it was time to give the seeds some water so they could start their journey.
Great job, Karen. Water helps the seeds grow strong.
While they waited for the seeds to grow, they talked about their favorite vegetables.
I hope the carrots grow big. I love crunchy carrots.
After a few days, they returned to the garden and were thrilled to see little sprouts emerging.
Look, Karen, our plants are starting to grow.
They learned that taking care of the plants meant removing weeds and checking for pests.
I'll help pull the weeds, Dad. We want our plants to be happy.
After weeks of care, it was finally time to harvest their delicious vegetables.
You did a fantastic job, Karen. Look at all the fresh veggies we've grown.
They went to the kitchen to wash their fresh veggies and prepare a healthy meal together.
I can't wait to eat the food we grew ourselves.
As they enjoyed their delicious meal, Karen felt proud of all the hard work they put into their garden.
See, Karen, eating healthy is so much fun when you grow it yourself.